Sometimes our boilers can lock out for various reasons. Sometimes you can run out of gas, or it's developed a fault, and sometimes just a quick reset will bring the boiler back into life. Now we've got a Worcester here, and as you can see the reset light is flashing, which means that it's locked out for some reason. So what we can do is we can give it a quick reset to see if it fires back up. Probably what I'd say is just reset it once or twice, and if it's still locking out, then you'll need to call an engineer out to have a look. So for this one, it's very simple. All you have to do, press and hold the reset button for a couple of seconds, release it, and what they'll do is the boiler will go back through its sequence to try and fire up again. As I say, if it does keep locking out, then you'll need to call an engineer to have a look.